So hello guys, in this video we are going to scrape the data from Instagram. So Instagram does not provide you direct access to scrape the data. So here we are going to use Instagram scraper provided by Apify. So first of all we will open the Apify. We will create first an account and then search for Instagram scraper. So here we will search Instagram scraper and press enter. So here we can see Instagram scraper is here, and here we will click on try for free. In Apify we are having many data scrapers. So here there are many options. First of all, you have to copy the link of the profile which you want to scrap. Like I have provided this link of profile to scrap, and then you have to select an option that which data you want to scrap. You want to scrap post, scrap comments, or scrap profile mentions, and then you have to mention about how many results you want per profile, and you have to this is an optional that if you want and date that the video is uploaded between the dates, and then you just click on start and it will uh, generate the data. So but if you want profiles in bulk, so we will use here data scraper, instant data scraper of Google extension. Here we will click site colon instagram.com, and here we will write particular niche in which you want to scrape the profile links. Okay, and press enter. Here it will provide you the profiles related to that particular niche, and here we will open the instant data scraper and we'll scrap all the links of the profile, and you have to click on start crawling if you want more links. So here we have start the crawling, and you can see that here rows collected are increasing. So now 67 rows are efficient. So we have stop the crawling and copy all these links, or we can download the CSV file of these links. So we have copied the link and we can paste on the Instagram here in bulk edit. But here in this I am just going to scrap this particular link because I am having limited tokens. So I am just click on the start button, and here we can see that this data scraping is running. So here we can see in just 26 seconds it has scraped the data from the Instagram profile, and it provided me the links of latest 10 reels of this profile. It has provided me the ID of the link, how many likes, how many views, everything it has provided. So this is much for today's video. Thanks for watching.